Some places in the world cannot be fully captured by a photograph or even a video. They must be experienced, not only with your eyes, but with your heart. Today, our journey takes us to the breathtaking Cascata Nardis, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in northern Italy, nestled in the heart of the Adamello Brenta Natural Park. Plunging from a height of more than 130 meters, this magnificent waterfall is fed by crystal clear glacial waters that have carved their path through these mountains for thousands of years. Every drop tells a story of time, nature, and the incredible power of the earth. As our drone rises above the valley, a breathtaking panorama unfolds before us. Towering alpine peaks, lush green forests, and the endless roar of cascading water come together to create a masterpiece that feels almost untouched by time. Here, the sound of the waterfall becomes nature's own symphony. The cool mountain breeze carries the freshness of the forest, while the mist gently fills the air, reminding us that true beauty often exists far away from the noise of everyday life. In a world that never seems to slow down, places like Cascata Nardis invite us to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with the simple wonders that surround us. Sometimes the greatest luxury isn't found in cities or possessions. It's found in moments of peace like this. Every rock has been shaped by patience. Every stream reflects the quiet strength of nature. Standing here, it's impossible not to feel a sense of gratitude for the incredible world we share. If you ever find yourself exploring the Italian Alps, make sure Cascata Nardis is on your travel list. It's more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey. If you enjoyed this cinematic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never stop discovering the extraordinary beauty our planet has to offer.